Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to private featured photos on Facebook. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. To begin, access the Facebook application and navigate to your profile. Select featured photos and click on the three dots located in the upper right corner. And from there, you can modify the privacy settings for your photos. As you may have noticed, there is no available option to achieve this. To make your featured photos private, simply return to your homepage and access the menu. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you locate the Stories option and select it. From there, you can access Story Privacy and adjust the privacy settings for your stories. It automatically edits the privacy viewed featured photos because they are the same basically. So I'm going to set it to public and that's basically it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.